Now, driving a Koenig Special is always an amazing feeling. It's always something nostalgic and incredible. But driving this all red with this all white interior really makes you feel like some type of royal, some type of king. And of course, Koenig means king in German. So it's very fitting for this build right here. Built for us, all custom made in the Middle East, all bespoke to our taste. This thing right here is incredible. I'm driving it around right now in Florida under these palm trees, and I'm sure anybody that's seeing this car right now on the road is just in shock. It is a shocking looking build pulling up on you. These wheels, they just shine differently. The paint is just incredible. It's like a mirror, and the red is just something you've never seen on a four-door old Mercedes like this. You know what I mean? You never see this type of red on an SEL 126, especially not on a Koenig Special. White interior with the red piping really sets it off. You can see it popping from outside the car. It's something that's incredible. You have an all-white dash as well that you can see from outside the car. So whenever you're pulling up in this thing, you will be noticed. Koenig Special was one of the most wildest tuners from the 1980s. Of course, they had the craziest body kits, and they made regular sedans and regular coupes look like supercars, essentially, in the 1980s. So you can only imagine what this thing looked like pulling up in the 1980s on you. And the four-door version is just that much more ridiculous, that much more body kit, that much more lavishness. It's all here, and it's all happening all at once in this Koenig Special. So you gotta admit, whenever you're in one of these cars, you gotta feel special. You gotta feel like, you know, you're one of those guys. You're basically getting double the kit, double the Koenig, you know what I mean? Because you have, you know, double the doors. So most of the Koenigs you see on the road are always coupes. So to see a sedan is very rare in itself. And then to see a red one with this all white interior, you will never see it. Custom made right here for the Patina Collective. The all red grille is incredible. Very stunning when you pull up somewhere. You got the all red monoed out grille. You got the lights all red as well. So this is something that you're never gonna see anywhere else other than Miami or in the Middle East or somewhere like that where, you know, where that type of crowd is, you know, in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, very extravagant, very loud people. And when you're in a car like this, you're definitely asking for attention. This is not a low-key build. This is not a car you get in to be humble. This is a car you get in to be loud and to make a statement and to say, hey, I'm here and look at me, basically. Something very special comes over you when you're in this, something overwhelming when you're sitting in this car. You just feel like an important VIP of some sort. So pulling up right now, we're gonna take it out on the ride, get some air flowing through the engine, and let's see how it looks in motion in the Kingdom of Boca Raton, in the King Koenig Special SEL. Now we have so many SEC Koenig Specials in the collection. That's the two-door 126 version of this car, but we only have a couple four-door SELs, long versions with the Koenig Special body kit on it, and this is one of them. The other one is the blue one in the collection from Spain. Now this one right here came straight out of the Middle East. It was a custom built for the collection. We spec'd it out to our liking. We did this beautiful red with the white interior. We kind of did it like the red demon in the collection, the coupe, the SEC coupe that we have with the black interior, but we switched it up a bit. Very, very clean build right here. Custom built for us, and we love it. It's incredible, and we're gonna start, as always, at the front bumper right here. And it is, of course, the Koenig Special front bumper that goes on the coupe as well, but this one is fitted to the SEL. Of course, we see the Koenig Special insignia right here. Very, very important, embossed, so that's how you know it is an authentic one. And as we move up, we see US headlights on this otherwise European or Middle Eastern build. And what they would do in the Middle East, and a lot of times, and a lot of tuning companies would do this, is they would color match this bezel right here that was actually made for the US spec lights. But I love it. I think it gives it a very, very nice touch. and it actually looks way more cool, way more custom when they do this. We have this on a lot of different builds in the collection, including the Princess Diana and including this SGS that's right behind us right here. The gold SGS gull-wing also has it. So very, very cool. So this is something that I love, especially with this yellow light right here that they put, this yellow light that really gives it that pop that you need with this all red paint. So we have an all red grille as well here. Everything is mono, everything is red on red on red. Crazy, crazy. We come around the side right here. We have these reminiscent of the Lamborghini Countach wheels. Very, very cool. It really sets it off right here. A beautiful brushed metal look. It's different than any other wheel that we have in the collection on the Koenig Specials. It's not a BBS, it is a one piece, but I love it. It really gives a striking appearance to the car. As we come along the side, everything is molded beautifully over here, and we get to this interior right here. This interior was fully customized just for us. It's white Italian leather, all imported to the Middle East and custom stitched to make this gorgeous 126 interior pop with this red piping all around that accentuates white steering wheel. We even had the white Alcantara on the roof, so they spared no expense building this interior. Even as we come to the back right here, we see this back carpeting is all white. Even the front carpet has some white, of course. We have white all across, and we have, of course, the red piping even on the carpet, and we even have red seat belts. So they really went crazy when they did the custom interior on this. They spared no expense. Everything is white on white on white. It looks beautiful. The wood has a nice finish to it still. As we come to the back, we encounter the infamous Koenig Special wing. You can see right here on other versions in the collection, it is higher, it is lower. This one's really low to the body, giving it a fatter look for this SEL right here. And I think it gives it a perfect look. So as we come to the back bumper right here, we have, once again, the Koenig Special rear bumper. You see the Koenig Special logo right there popping out, of course, to give you that 100% authenticity. Now, as we pay attention to detail when it comes to these builds right here, we notice on the gas cap right here, we have a little bit of flaring on the gas cap. That's how you know it is an original build with an original gas cap from Koenig Special to go along with the body line of the body kit right here. So that's very important. If you notice on some of these builds, when you get them, it's just a regular gas cap, and that means it wasn't a fully authentic build. So pay close attention to all these details when you're looking at these special cars. Once again, we notice right here, all the chrome trim all over the car has been monoed to red. Everything is mono red, 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 red. All of the chrome trim all around, all red, giving it that very, very beautiful, exclusive look. So we know this is a real Koenig Special. So right now, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out on the road, see how it looks under these palm trees, get it rolling. Let's go.